Today we are looking at an Oliver 240A gravity table. This unit has been completely rebuilt, all new bearings, all new drive components, all new belts. This unit is as good as a new machine. A lot of people, when they see our rebuilds, ask if they're brand new. We take a lot of pride in our work. We like to take care of people. This unit is operated on 480 volts. We do not have 480 volts here, but this unit was completely rebuilt, thoroughly tested, and is ready to perform. This unit is set up with the motorized blender. The catch-all at the end has the nice squared around transition that makes it easy to pipe up to a bucket elevator leg or some kind of a conveyor. One thing we do for these units is install a grease bank. Makes it so that you don't have to climb up inside of the machine to grease the main shaft bearings. It means your bearings are going to last longer because they'll be easily greased and maintained. We've got our MagnaHelix gauges here. This unit is set up with a VFD that allows you to turn a knob and adjust the speed electronically instead of mechanically. We upgrade these units to a VFD because that eliminates a lot of mechanical parts. It means there's less to maintain, and it means this unit is going to last longer. Looking at the deck, we can see that it's in excellent condition. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. It's in like new condition. The hopper is in excellent shape. All of the controls work as they should. Again, this unit was thoroughly tested. We can't fire it up for you because we don't have 480 volts, but it speaks for itself. You can see how clean this unit is. You can see one of the eccentric bearings there. This unit also uses these nice modern filters. They're a big improvement from the old box type. Just taking that off so you can see underneath of the machine. This is the motor that's controlled by the VFD. The VFD is inside of that gray box right there. You can see the main fan shaft. You can see the new bearings. We've got a tube going up to our grease bank. We can see our fan shutter controls here. They turn, work as they should. They're all free. This unit was completely disassembled, thoroughly sandblasted. Anything that needed repaired was repaired. It has been upgraded with the grease bank feature for ease of maintenance and the VFD package that we offer. This unit is ready to perform as good as a new one and not cost as much as a new one. This gravity table and other gravity tables, all makes, all models, all shapes and sizes, can be bought from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.